Hey Michelle, Cory here. Just sending over that screencast to you. This is just something, a few tips just how to get your website going from the second page onto the first page of Google. It's just that much more traffic, that much more clicks, that much more money inside your guys' pocket. But anyway, starting with your guys' website, I do have yours pulled up. Okay. Looks good. I like it. And then this is also the procclv.com. This is actually the number one here in Las Vegas. They don't have a whole lot of content, but Google does love content. The more words that you have, it just helps you rank a lot better. So Google does like to see at least 1,000 words of content on that first page. So we can definitely put some words on your guys' website to beef that up a little bit. And it's really going to be really easy to do to outbeat him in that area. The second thing that we want to talk about is keywords. So this right here is called Ahrefs. Okay, it's just a little tool that I use. It kind of helps me spy on what your guys' website's doing, what other websites are doing, so that way we can help you get yours there, plus further beyond as well. So this is JandM autobody repair. You got 144 keywords, 14 referring domains, and 86 backlinks. Okay, compared to procclv.com, 624 keywords, 78 referring domains, and 1.73K backlinks. Okay, huge difference. 86 backlinks. 1.7K backlinks. So, but talking about those keywords, right? So, some of these keywords that they got 624 that they're using. Las Vegas body shops, getting 200 clicks there. They're on the first page, third position there. They're getting 200 clicks a month just off that being on the first page. Right here, they're the fourth position on the first page. They're getting another 400 clicks off their auto body shop Las Vegas. Mazda body shop near me, 150 clicks. Bumper repair Las Vegas, 100 clicks. Las Vegas auto body shop, there's 80 clicks there. Collision repair Las Vegas, 200 clicks every single month. You keep going down, there's so many different collision center Las Vegas, there's another 50 clicks in those different keywords. And you got Toyota Body Shop Las Vegas, another 20 clicks. Paint and Body Shop Las Vegas, that's 20 clicks. So all these fiberglass repair Las Vegas, there's another 20 clicks. There's Las Vegas Collision Center, 350 clicks, 80 clicks for that. You can see there's we can keep on going over these different keywords that they're using, and they're using tons of them. There's 624 different keywords, and we can look at some of your guys' keywords at 144. No, why that's not letting me pull up there. Anyway, that's fine. And so after the keywords, we want to talk about citations. Citations are just your name, your phone number, your address on different business directories like Yelp, CityStar, the BBB. I mean, there's several of them out there, and we want to get all these citations. And all that's going to do is just say, hey, you guys are legit, you guys are a credible company, and it just helps you start ranking high on Google as well. And the last thing I do want to talk about, every time that you pull up on Google Autobody Las Vegas, this right here, you're always going to see ads at the top. Ads are always paid for, okay? And then once you actually start organically ranking on the first page, you're actually going to start seeing yourself listed here in the map packs, which we can definitely help you get inside of the map pack. And there's a lot of clicks that happen right side of here. But anyway, I'm going to give you my number with this screencast. Let's sit down, talk, and see what we can do to help you guys start ranking on that first page. Thank you.